Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to make this travel bag. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make this luggage tag. Now you guys know it's the holiday season and we're going to be traveling from one place to another, and we don't want any conversation around, I mistakenly carried someone else's bag or anything. With this reversible luggage tag, you can easily spot your own luggage from a mile away. And you guys know me, just as the travel bag is reversible, this luggage tag is also reversible. So if you want to see the video of the travel bag, it's in my previous video. I'm going to link it up here and in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. Let's get into it. And guys, this is what it looks like. It looks fabulous. Like, it's turned out so amazing. Like I said, it's reversible. You can use the black side, you can use the Ankara side, guys. Anywhere it would be amazing. So guys, I also used it for this foldable shopping bag. If you've watched the video, it's on my channel, so I used it for it as well. I just said let me even see if it will work, and it worked. I loved how it looked like, and again, it made it even more comfortable to hold the bag when I'm carrying heavy things. Guys, this is an amazing DIY project that I hope you can use, with different types of bags, in every single way. You can give it as a gift to your loved ones if they love traveling. Make it for them and give them. Let them know that you're a DIY queen, DIY king. And guys, in the spirit of the holidays, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me get to my monetization threshold. Give me that Christmas gift. Please watch my videos, share it within and outside your circle, share it with everybody you know, like the video, comment in the comment section. And if you eventually make this, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to share your creations with all my growing followers on all my social networks. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.